Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok app rewards not working. So if you also want to fix TikTok app rewards not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is update the application. You might be facing this problem because you're not using the latest version of the application. So in order to update the application, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the search icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top of your screen, you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply search for TikTok. Now over here, you'll be able to find the application for TikTok. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you can see two options, uninstall and update. Simply tap on the update option that you can see right over here. Now wait for the application to be updated. Now you can see over here, TikTok application has been updated. Now after the application is updated, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is open the app library of your device. Now over here, what you have to do is find the application for TikTok. Once you find the application for TikTok, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for open, uninstall, force stop. Also, you may be able to find the option for notifications, permissions, storage and cache. Simply tap on the option storage and cache. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to see the information regarding the storage of this application. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache that you can see right over here. Now the cache of the application has been cleared. Now your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix TikTok app rewards not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.